Hi, Ben Axler here, CIO and founder of Spruce Capital Management, with a new exciting report on our website, MGP Ingredients, ticker is MGPI. Now, some of you might recall in 2017, we initiated a strong sell opinion on this company, and 8 of our predictions came true, and the stock ultimately fell 50% with the CEO and CFO departing. Now, what do? They have an ingredients business, but also they've claimed that they're going to transform into a branded spirits company. And now they're on stage 3, the final transformation. So we're going to explain why there are 0 catalysts left to own the stock and why the only course of action is to short or sell it. Now, in early 2021, they announced a $445 million merger with Luxco, which was their entry into the branded spirits category. But look under the hood at what they're not disclosing. Their material customer has been Diageo, and a big part of their growth had been the contract distilling for the Bullet brand. And we've sourced proprietary industry data that showed Bullet bourbon declined in 2021 and the rye lost market share. So we think this accelerated their need to do a merger. Now, the company said that this merger would improve their gross margins and be immediately cash flow accretive. But guess what? We're now 18 months past the closing of this transaction and none of it's come true. And we're finding worrisome signs of financial decay and earnings quality issues. Most importantly, look very carefully at the cash flow statement. They are now making subtle revisions to last year's discussion. And now they're saying that Luxco didn't even contribute cash flow in the period that the deal closed. What's going on here? Now, we have big concerns about the new management team, too. The current CEO came from Synopta, and he was terminated after 2 years, right before the numbers fell apart. And the current CFO was with MGPI during the prior period. We found financial anomalies, and they stopped disclosing key things. So buyer beware. We see yet another episode here where history will repeat and see up to 55% downside risk.